Silver is stepping back into the spotlight, glinting with the promise of rising prices, surging demand, and shifting market dynamics. It's clear the metal isn't just playing second fiddle to gold, it's tuning up for its own symphony. Silver prices have been climbing with the kind of determination that turns heads, hitting a recent high of $32.80 per ounce. Economic jitters, global inflation concerns, and China's ambitious policies have all added fuel to the fire. Silver's appeal lies in its dual identity, an industrial workhorse and a monetary safety net. It's the multitasker of the metals market, shining in tech while hedging against economic storms. If history is any guide, we're entering silver's sweet spot. From mid-December to late February, silver often posts gains that would make even the most optimistic investors nod approvingly. Over the decades, this period has delivered an average of 10% or more in price increases. Seasonal demand drivers like restocking by manufacturers and fresh investment enthusiasm in the new year are aligning to support a solid rally. Think of it as silver's annual encore performance. China, with its economy on overdrive, is shaping up as a major force in the silver market. The country's massive infrastructure investments, spanning renewable energy, transportation, and technology, are heavy on metals. Silver's industrial applications put it squarely in the spotlight. Whether it's solar panels, electric vehicles, or high-tech manufacturing, silver's versatility makes it indispensable. China's proactive economic measures have only heightened global interest in this precious metal. Silver's supply story is a classic tale of scarcity. Demand is projected to exceed 1.4 billion ounces in 2024, driven by booming industries like solar energy and electric vehicles. Meanwhile, global mine output stubbornly sits at around 830 million ounces annually. Recycling isn't riding to the rescue either. Extracting silver from electronics is as financially rewarding as squeezing water from a stone. Above-ground inventories have dwindled to a mere 1.2 billion ounces, a shadow of the 5 billion ounces available in the 1980s. The resulting supply-demand gap is a pressure cooker for prices. Silver has long been the underdog of the commodity world, thanks to concentrated short positions that would make even the most optimistic investors groan. 8 major traders control over 55% of silver futures, artificially keeping prices in check. But the strain of persistent deficits and mounting demand may soon tip the scales, giving silver the upward mobility it has long deserved. Analysts expect silver's gains to keep rolling, with prices potentially hitting $35 per ounce in early 2025. The seasonal tailwind from December to February could push these gains even higher. Longer term, the prospect of triple-digit silver prices remains tantalizingly within reach, driven by structural deficits, a growing list of industrial uses, and the world's accelerating pivot to green technologies. Silver is no longer content to sit in gold's shadow. As the world juggles economic uncertainties and technological innovation, silver is proving itself as a cornerstone of both industry and finance. Its seasonal strength, combined with tight supply dynamics, makes it one of the most compelling investments of the moment. If you've been waiting to revisit silver, now might just be the perfect time. It's not just the second-place metal, it's a prize in its own right.